to port or move to other platforms, which is a key strategic advantage. The first company to acquire Open Interface was Shearson Lehman. Tom Murphy, first vice president, describes their relationship with NEURON Data.
Open Interface we started with in April 1990. We were the first customers with it. We helped NEURON Data to bring it out as a product. The problem that we had, the problem that we were trying to solve, was that we had customers with, not customers, but salespeople and traders who had all different types of equipment, all different types of tools that they were using. We couldn't dictate what they had. So we were looking for a tool that we could do the development in and be able to move across platforms depending on what the customer had.
A crystal ball is needed to know exactly what will happen to this industry in the next 5 or 10 years. Nevertheless, NEURON Data is ready to meet several challenges of the 90s.
It's almost comparable to what the integrated circuits were in their beginning. What you're going to have now are fundamental building blocks for building software applications. So just like you used to build a board out of chips, you're going to build applications out of some critical components. We're in the business of providing those critical components.
Organization and corporation are building products or services that are more and more complex. So if we just take a computer, you could present in the most graphic ways this information, but that's not enough. Because the content of those graphic objects you're going to see can be enriched if it's knowledge. For example, at your ATM machine, instead of just proposing me cash or transaction, maybe the system with some knowledge can figure out, knowing your bank account level and things, that have still cash at the bank and there's opportunity or discount on this product, and start to massage those data and say, we can recommend you those financial products during this transaction. So that's a smarter ATM transaction. What we can see in the future is that our two products, Nexpert on one hand, providing knowledge and smartness into those interfaces, and Open Interface helping those two layers can be labeled intelligent interface.
The highest compliment a company can have is a satisfied customer.
And one reason we're very high on NEURON Data is the support that we get. We get answers when we need answers. We get them from the appropriate people. We may buy a product that looks good, that acts, that does the things we want it to do, but if they don't support it, then I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to throw it out.
Sean McCracken of Data Select uses Nexpert Object to evaluate real estate loans.
What's the beauty of using Nexpert's system is that it's offered us a tool that we could rapidly develop our product. Something that usually would take 2 years to do, we can do it in 1/4 of the time, and again alter our product to meet the new needs of the marketplace.
NEURON Data has confirmed its commitment to enhance the performance of Nexpert Object and Open Interface, and to provide accessible software building blocks to help customers build their business in increasingly competitive environments.